Hariom students, all of you are obeying the instructions given by government for our safety to maintain 2-meter distance away in public place. Always you remember it. Today, what is the meaning of Swamiji saying? Work hard with self-confidence and full faith in Him, who is the sole witness of all your actions. നമ്മൾ ഏതൊരു കാര്യമാണെങ്കിലും നമ്മൾ കഠിനമായി അത് പ്രയത്നിച്ച് വേണം ചെയ്യാനുണ്ട്. നല്ല ആത്മവിശ്വാസത്തോടുകൂടി ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഓരോ പ്രവൃത്തിയും നിരീക്ഷിക്കാനായിട്ട് ഈശ്വരൻ നമ്മളെ നിരീക്ഷിച്ചുകൊണ്ടേയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും ചീത്ത കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും എല്ലാം നമ്മളെ അദ്ദേഹം കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അത് ഓർമ്മ എപ്പോഴും നമുക്ക് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളെ ഏത് പ്രവൃത്തി ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും നമ്മളെ കൊണ്ടാകുന്ന രീതിയിൽ കഠിനമായി പരിശ്രമിച്ച് ഏറ്റവും നന്നായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. ഇത് സെൽഫ് കോൺഫിഡൻസ്, ആത്മവിശ്വാസത്തോടുകൂടി ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് പഠിക്കുമ്പോഴാണെങ്കിലും എല്ലാം ഇപ്പം പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഒക്കെ ചില പ്രോബ്ലംസ് കാണുമ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലാകാതെ തിരിച്ചുപാടായിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ അത് 2-3 പ്രാവശ്യമൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്കത് നന്നായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. അപ്പോൾ ആത്മവിശ്വാസം വർദ്ധിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യും, നന്നായിട്ടത് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യും. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളെപ്പോഴും കഠിനമായി പരിശ്രമിക്കുക. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ എപ്പോഴും നമുക്ക് ആത്മവിശ്വാസത്തോടുകൂടി ഈശ്വര വിശ്വാസത്തോടുകൂടി നമ്മൾ ചിന്തിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നല്ലൊരു ഭാവി ഉണ്ടാകും. ഓക്കെ. Then, today we can study some properties of square numbers. Numbers between square numbers. Then, there are 2n non-perfect square numbers between the squares of the numbers n and n plus 1. If you are asked to find the non-perfect square numbers between two numbers n square and n plus 1 the whole square, how many numbers are there? Non-perfect square numbers between n square and n plus 1 the whole square. 2n non-perfect numbers between n and n plus 1. For example, if you are asked to find the number of non-perfect square numbers between 5 square and 6 square, and then 5 is equal to n and 6 is equal to n plus 1. This is n and this is n plus 1. Then n square and n plus 1 the whole square. Then there are 2n non-perfect square numbers between the squares of the numbers n and n plus 1. Then here instead of n, here it is 5. Then how many non-perfect square numbers are lying between this 5 square and 6 square? Then n is equal to 5. That is 2n non-perfect square numbers. That is 2 into 5. How many are there? 10 non-perfect square numbers between the squares of the numbers n and n plus 1. Therefore, how many? Therefore, there are 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. Here n is equal to 10 and n plus 1 is 6. So, if there are 2n non-perfect square numbers between the squares of n and n plus 1, that is between n square and n plus 1 the whole square, 2n non-perfect square numbers are there. Then between 5 square and 6, so how many are there? Here instead of n we put 5. Then therefore there are 2 into 5. 2n is 2 into 5, 10. There are 10 non-perfect square numbers. Non-perfect square numbers. Square numbers are there between there are 10 non-perfect squares numbers lie between 5 square and 6 square. So to find the number of non-perfect squares lies between two squares, 5 square and 6 square. Here instead of n we put n. So n is equal to 5. Then 2 into 5 is 10. Therefore, there are 10 non-perfect square numbers lying between 5 square and 6 square. Okay. Next question. How many non-perfect square numbers lie between? First one, 9 square and 10 square. 9 square and 10 square. Here n is equal to 9 and n plus 1 is equal to 10. So how many numbers lie between 9 square and 10 square? Haridharashmi? There are 2n non-perfect square numbers lie between n square and n plus 1 the whole square. Here n is 9 and n plus 1 is 10. So there are n is equal to 9. 2 into 9. There are here 2n is equal to 2 into 9. That is equal to 18. Therefore, 18 non-perfect square numbers. 18 non-perfect square numbers, non-perfect square numbers lie between 9 square and 10 square. Between 9 square and 10 square. Then second question, 11 square and 12 square. And 12 square. 11 square and 12. Shown here what is n? Here n is equal to 11 and n plus 1 is equal to 12. So what is 2n? 2n is equal to 2 into 11. That is 22. Therefore, how many non-perfect square numbers lie between 11 and square and 12 square? Therefore, 22 non-perfect square numbers lie between 11 square and 12 square. Then what is our third question? Third question is 100 square and 101 square. 100 square and 101 square. There. Here what is n? Here n is equal to 100 and n plus 1 is equal to 101. Then what is 2n? 2n is equal to n is equal to 100. So 2 into 100. That is 200. Therefore, how many non-perfect square numbers lie between the squares of 100 and 101? There are 200 non-perfect square numbers lies between 100 square and 101 square. Therefore, 200 non-perfect square numbers lie between 100 square and 101 square. So to find the numbers, non-perfect square numbers lie between n and n plus 1. That is between n square and n plus 1 the whole square. What is the formula? 2n numbers lies between n square and n plus 1 the whole square. The first question is between 9 square and 10 square. So here n is equal to 9. So 2n is equal to 2 in 9, 18. Therefore, 18 non-perfect square numbers lie between 9 square and 10 square. Second one, 11 square and 12 square. Here n is equal to 11. So 2n is equal to 11, 22. Therefore, 22 non-perfect square numbers lie between 11 square and 12 square. Third one, n is equal to 100 and n plus 1 is equal to 101. Therefore, 2n is equal to 2 into 100, 200. Therefore, how many non-perfect square numbers lie between this 100 square and 101 square? And it is equal to 200 non-perfect square numbers lie between 100 square and 101 square. Okay. Next question. Find the square of the following numbers without actual multiplication. To find the square of 23, we have to multiply 23 into 23. Then here, without actual multiplication, you are asked to find the square of these numbers. We can do one example. 23 square is equal to, we can split this 23 as, only write 23 as then, we can write it as 20 plus 3 the whole square. Correct? 23, we can write as 20 plus 3 the whole square. Then 20 plus 3 the whole square is, the square means we have to multiply 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3, 2 times we multiply. That is 20 plus 3 the whole square. So we can write it as 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. That is 20 plus 3 the whole square. Then we can use the distributive property to find the product. First we can multiply this 20 by this 20 plus 3. That is 20 into 20. 20 into 20 plus. Then next second time is 20 into 3. Then we can multiply by this 3 to this 2 times. Then next step is 3 into 20 plus 3 into 20 plus. Then what is next? Then second time 3 into 3 plus 3 into 3. 20 into 20 is 400. 2 twos are 4, then 2 zeros, that is 400 plus 20 into 3 is 60, 3 into 20 is 60 plus 3 into 3 is 9. Then we can add this. 400 plus 60 plus 60 is 120. 400 plus 129. 400 and 60 plus 60 is 120. 120 plus 9 is 129. That is equal to 529. So what is the square of 23? 23 square is equal to 529. So to find the square of this number, first we split this number 23 as 20 plus 3. Then 20 plus 3 the whole square is 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. Then we use the distributive property. First we multiply this 20 by this 2 times. That is 20 into 20 plus 20 into 3. Then we multiply it by the second thing. Second thing is 3. 3 into 20 plus 3 into 3. Adding 1 we get 400 plus 60 plus 60 plus 9. That is equal to 529. Then second question, 42. 42 is equal to Neha. First we split this 42 as 40 plus 2 the whole square. That is equal to 40 plus 2 is, sorry, here 42 square. 42 square is equal to 40 plus 2 the whole square. That is 40 plus 2 into 40 plus 2. That is equal to, then now we can multiply, first we can multiply by this 40 to this 2 times. 40 into 40, 40 into 40 plus 40 into 2, 40 into 2 plus 2 into 40, 2 into 40 plus 2 into 2. That is 40 into 40 is 4 into 4 is 60. Then how many zeros? 2 zeros. 1600 plus 40 into 2 is 80. 80 plus 2 into 40 is 80 plus 2 into 2 is 4. Then 1600 plus 80 plus 80 plus 4. 80 plus 80 is 160. 160 plus 4 is 160. Then 1600 plus, here 80 plus 80 is 160. 160 plus 4 is 164. Then we can add this 4, 6, 7, 1. Then what is the square? 1764. So the square is 1764. Okay. Then what is the third question? 35 square. 35 square is equal to 35 square is 30 plus 5 the whole square. 30 plus 5 the whole square. Sumitra, then what we do? 30 plus 5 the whole square we can write as 30 plus 5 into 30 plus 5 into 30 plus 5. And then we can use the distributive property. First we multiply the 30 into 30. 30 into 30 plus, then we multiply it by 5. 30 into 5 plus, next step is we multiply second day by this 5 into 30 plus 5 into 5. That is 30 into 30 is 3 into 3, 9. Then how many zeros? 2 zeros, 900 plus 30 into 5 is 150. 5 into 30 is also 150 plus 20. Then we can add this. Then 150 plus 150 is 300. 300 plus 25 is 325. Then we can add this 900 plus 325. That is equal to 1225. So here first we split 35 as 30 plus 5 the whole square. Then 30 plus 5 the whole square is 30 plus 5 into 30 plus 5. To find the square means we have to multiply the number by itself. Then 30 plus 5 into 30 plus 5. Then 30 into the distributive property, 30 into 30 plus 30 into 5. Then by the second day we multiply this times. 5 into 30 plus 5 into 5. Simplifying what we get? 30 into 30 is 900. 30 into 5 is 150. 5 into 30 is 150. 5 into 5 is 25. Then 150 plus 150 is equal to 300. 300 plus 25 is 320. And 900 plus 325 is equal to 1225. So, to find the square of the numbers without actual multiplication, what we do? Here 23, we first we split 23 as 20 plus 3 the whole square. Then it is equal to 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. Then simplifying, what we get? 23 square is equal to 529. Second one, 42 square is equal to 40 plus 2 the whole square. That is 40 plus 2 into 40 plus 2. Using distributive property and simplifying, what we get? The square is equal to 1764. Third one, 35 square is equal to 30 plus 5 the whole square. That is equal to 30 plus 5 into 30 plus 5. And simplifying, what we get? The square is 1225. So without actual multiplication, we find the square of these three numbers. What is 23 square? 23 square is equal to 529. 40 square is equal to 1764. And 35 square is equal to 1225. Okay? We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given to the Google Classroom. Thank you and